In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap land on Zillow. If you're in the market for a new real estate investment, or maybe just dreaming about a place to call your own, you've come to the right place. Zillow is one of the most popular online real estate marketplaces, and today I'm excited to walk you through the steps to refine your search and help you find the most affordable options available. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zillow website. Simply open your web browser and type in zillow.com.e. It's a simple process, but starting on the right web page is crucial for finding exactly what you need. Next, in the search bar located on the home page, type in a location of interest. This could be your current city, a state you're looking to invest in, or even a specific neighborhood you've had your eye on. This initial search will help tailor the listings to your preferred area. Once you've entered your chosen location, the next step is to click on Home Type. It's on the search toolbar, usually below the search bar. Here, you'll find options to refine the types of properties you're interested in. Since we're on the hunt for land, you'll want to make sure that your search is as focused as possible. After clicking Home Type, you'll see that multiple options are already selected. What you need to do here is to deselect all. By doing this, you clear the slate and can then select only the options relevant to your search. With all selections cleared, now you'll choose Lots of Land as your only selected option. This will make sure you're only browsing through listings that are relevant to purchasing land. It's a quick but vital step to avoid sifting through hundreds of unrelated listings. Now that your search is properly filtered for land, it's time to refine it by price. You'll want to click on Price found on the same toolbar where you selected Lots/Land. In the drop-down menu, you'll be able to input a minimum and maximum price that fits your budget. To start, select your minimum price. You can keep it low or at zero if you're looking for the absolute cheapest options. Then, move on to the maximum price. Adjust this to reflect the upper limit of what you're willing to spend. You're looking to keep costs down but want to include a range to see all possible deals in your area. Once you've set your price range, click Apply to filter your results accordingly. This last step will give you a tailored list of affordable land options within your specified location and price range. Congratulations! Your list of cheap land on Zillow is now ready and waiting for you to explore. With these steps, you'll be on your way to finding the perfect piece of land that fits your budget and dreams. Happy searching, and may your future investments grow and flourish.